Welcome back to my channel. May bisita ako dito, mga Pilipina. Ayan, si Ate Dred. I think, nagtago. Hindi, namit naman niya na kayo dati, di ba? Sa vlog ko. Nandiyan naman sa vlog ko dati. So, nagluluto kami ng pinakbet. Ayan. Pinakbet. Tapos magluluto ako ng chicken biryani. Magluluto din ako ng pansit. O, di ba? May piyestahan dito sa bahay. Ang mga Pilipina in showroom, meet my friends in showroom. Sila ang magluluto. O, diba? Yung mga bisita ko ang tagaluto. Pinagluto yung mga bisita. Ayan. Maingay kami, guys. Pagluluto kami ng Filipino food. Walang makakapigil kahit mga amoy ang kapitbahay. Nako. Ayan, ang gaganda ng ating mga cooker. Nakabuti pa yung dalawa nagluluto. Bahala kayo dyan.
Ay, maglaway kayo.
Maglaway kayo, oh.
Nakakatikim ng biryani for the first time.
Biryani is the key. Kami naman natin ida dito.
Tama na
magbalat. Hindi. Ilagay na. Masarap yung maraming parsley. Kasi di ba mga dilit yan. May bagong. Luto na yun, ate?
Hindi pa yung pakulutan ng basil.
Ate, o dito ka na. Ate, oh. Hi guys! Ayan, luto na yung pagkain namin. Oh, we are ready to eat.
Sibugan na!
Sibugan na. We have pancit and pinakbet. Ayan, nagluluto ako ng biryani. Ni-steam ko pa siya. Hindi pa siya tapos. So, inaantay namin yung biryani. And of course, rice is life.
Rice is life.
Yeah.
Yung panin na lang.
Wala akong ano. Wala akong lighter. May lighter ka, ate? Gusto ka ba?
Yung mag-smoke ka?
Hey guys! Kamusta? Kamusta? Hi! Today is my birthday. Charot. Happy birthday to me! Ayan. Lalabas kami ngayon guys kasi magbibiran kami sa labas. So, isasama ko kayo sa special day natin today. See you there! Bye! Hey guys! We are here in the restaurant today.
Why is all of it upside down?
Because of dust and dirty.
Upside down. Yeah, more?
Sweet and old.
Tell me, girl. What is your secret?
I want to try for you something.
What?
I want to try for you something.
There is a soup. They're keeping secret for me, guys. This girl has a secret for me. And this boy? Hi, boy. You have a secret? They are keeping secret for me. I don't know what is their secret.
Why you go on the table?
You have a secret for me? Hey, what is your secret?
Nothing.
Why you don't like to tell me? You're keeping secret on me? Because what?
You cannot know.
Why?
We will make surprise for you. It's something secret.
Something secret?
And something expensive.
What?
What do you mean?
What is that? What's something expensive?
Don't give the
What's
tip for
something?
her.
What's the something
Don't
expensive?
give her hint.
Yeah, don't give the hints. What you are talking
Well,
about?
I didn't see the surprise.
Where is the surprise? We don't have anything. What's the surprise you are talking about? Hey, wallah,
Look, we have here.
okay, but we don't have it. Where is it? We don't have it.
In the car.
What the? We don't have anything. Don't lie.
I'm too much hungry. Yalla.
Adi, this.
So there's a lot of starter, food, bread. Oh, gravy, girl.
Can you give me my towel, babe?
Oh no. And look, the ambience is very nice.
Can you come in the car?
That's it. That's it, guys.
Hadi Yağmur.
Yeah, more. It's meaning there's a party going on?
No.
What?
Maybe.
Ah, yeah, I see. Are you
My
making party
answer-
for me?
No. My answer from you asking any questions about your birthday is maybe or I don't know. Okay.
That's it?
Yes.
Just maybe? Tell me, girl.
No.
Wala, guys. Ayaw talaga nilang sabihin yung surprise nila sa akin. Huh?
We cannot tell you. Secret.
Hey, girl.
Secret.
It's always, you're always saying it's secret. Ayaw talaga nilang sabihin. Kanina ko pa inaawitan tong si
I
Yamor.
cannot.
But you will have a birthday surprise for me. Really? Do you have a gift for me?
Yeah.
How many?
I'm not telling.
Why?
Yeah.
One for you, one for Baba, one for Yazi?
Yeah.
I got you there. I got you
You
there.
don't know what it is.
Huh?
You don't know what it is. What did I open?
I don't know. Now we have sweets here and we are going to drink tea. You want a tea?
No.
You want to drink tea?
I only like
After the food, we will drink that tea. These guys are hiding something from me
Yeah.
and they never want. They never tell me anything. Hey.
Because it's a secret and you cannot know or else it will not be a secret.
I think you are going to make for me a party.
Man!
I got you there. I tell to Mama.
No.
I got you.
No.
I got you. I got you.
No!
I'll tell to Baba that you tell me
Baba's
already.
here. I didn't tell you anything.
Baba, Yamar say that you are throwing a party for
You
me.
guess.
I am throwing what?
You guess, Agni. I didn't tell you anything. I already told you. My answer is maybe or I don't know.
What is the question? I don't get the question, by the way.
You tell him.
What is the question?
And I will tell you.
I asked her, are you going to throw a party for me?
What is that?
No, we're not.
Yes,
kind
you
of-
say.
We are not.
You said that. You say that. You
We
said.
are not doing
You
that.
said already.
Surprise! Thank you.
you.
Bir şey soracağım. Niye iki ayırmasın?
Yani doğru söylüyormuş.
Picture video.
Video kızım. When you press it will stop. Bunu öğrenemeyeceksin oğlum. She will blow. Okay?
Start it now. Yeah.
Hadi go that
No,
side.
video checking this.
Go beside the Yeah, you can take it. Hadi bakalım. We can make a wish and blow it. Bak bak. İyi ki doğdun.
İnşallah sesime ne oldu? Çocuğu mu değil? Sesim mi açmış?
Teşekkür ederim.
Üç dedi kolunda bir
Teşekkür ederim.
Hepsinden az kırıklı bir hediye.
Thank you. Teşekkür ederim.
Wait, anne.
Bu ne baba?
Babaannem. Figure it out.
Ha, I know this one.
Share what is that?
Allah aktarım kendime.
Why you are looking me? How open it?
Oha! Oha! Çüş! Çüş! Adam avradına iPhone 17 18 mi açıyor? En sonuncusu hangisi? Seni benim
Tamam.
Hadi ya.
You can throw it. Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Arkadaşlar, kendi hediyelerinizi geri toplayın.
Bu ne?
Bu da senin.
Ya dediğin altı beğendin mi? Ben de istiyorum dedi. Ben ne bok yiyeyim? Burada pahalı o. Ben de istiyorum.
Aç open it.
Yağmur. Bir dakika.
Abi eski telefonu ne yapacağım? Arkadaşlar bir saniye. Şimdi herkes verdiği hediyeyi geri alsın. Hem de çok sorun kaldı. Efendim şuradan çanta, Loris'ten parfüm bunlar olmaz yani. Adam 15 getirmiş. Toplayın. Ne bileyim 15
15 Pro Max'tir o. O
Yeni
yani en
hayırlı
son
olsun.
çıkanı.
Teşekkür ederim.
Tabii teşekkür edersin.
Beni bırakın. Ben teşekkür ederim. Hadi teşekkür ederiz. Ne yaptılar?
Nasıl yapıyoruz biliyor musun? Yeni telefon ayarlayın.
Abim orada. Abim ne istiyor?
Öyle dönüyor.
Teşekkür ederim aşkım.
Bitiyor yani. Zamana geçti. Bitiyor. Aynen. Yeni ona gidiyor.
I love this one. This is the perfect.
Kapattım.